No, go over there.
Where's your card, Nana? Nana, where your card? Where your cars?
You can't film that way because get your finger out of it.
Nana, where your cars?
Oh, she hit her head. Go get your cars. And there she goes. She go Yay! You made it on your booty! That scared her too. You see her face?
I won't try that again.
It's just she went too much close to the edge.
What kind of woman will leave you standing in the cold? Must have been a silly one to sacrifice a pot of gold. You're the kind of man he needs someone who's always there. I give good love. I'll buy your clothes. I'll cook your dinner too. Yes, I will.
Come on, Mama. You're not gripping. That's why.
I'll pay your rent.
She's trying to get on that leg, babe. She can't do it. Come on, baby. You can do it. Come on. Come on. Come to Mama. Come on.
Only thing is, anything less than the most important person in your life. I love you. If you go to date, you get married. Don't you care about all of this, the wedding and the families and the traditions and just you and me
Leave her alone, babe. She's trying to get up there. Leave her alone. I'm getting there. Come on, baby. You can do it. You do it all the time.
I'll do it from that angle.
Yeah, she does it from this angle.
Over here?
She just can't grip. Her cars are in the way. Come on. Get up here. Come on. Come to Mama. Come here, my beautiful. You can do it. Get on that leg. She'll figure it out. Come on, precious. Hey. No, don't crawl to them. Come get them. You're bad.
Not here.